It's a great family winter activity.
Today, now I'm going to race in the open. Yes, I'm from Quebec, Saint-Thomas or Joliet. It's near Montreal. Oh, I know everybody in the east, and I even went to race in Minnesota and all that. So, and the snow condition. I did call some friends of mine that live around here, and they told me that trail was pretty good. Trying to get my team ready for Laconia. That will be in 2 weeks. So I think here would be a better training for Laconia.
The mushers themselves all bring all their families. There's kids racing, adults racing.
Yep. All right.
Every year. This is the best snow we've had in several years. God loves us to death. I'm from right here in St. Johnsbury. I'm a pediatrician. Some of my patients who come to see my team. I ran a 2-dog ski team and brother and sister team, Pepper and Flounder. They rose for the occasion. It was a fast trail. Oh, I love coming here because I know some of the people. Folks come up who haven't seen the sled dogs before or know that I do it, and I get to introduce them to my dogs. And when we have a nice day like this, get such a nice trail, it makes the dogs excited. The dogs really appreciate the cheering on that happens.
The Wafer Family Foundation, we're saving money to build a rec center in the Burke area. We want to build a facility that will offer kids a full-size basketball court, a fitness, and a place for arts and crafts and dance. And you know, we want to build it for after school and weekend activities, particularly during the winter when they don't have so many places to go.
We have fun.